Claude Code is the most powerful tool in AI right now. Most people think it's only for software developers. That's wrong. And that misunderstanding is creating a massive opportunity for freelancers who figure this out first. A massive myth is spreading like wildfire right now, and it's creating a golden opportunity for those smart enough to see it. The myth is that Claude Code is only for software developers, for the hoodie-wearing coders who speak in a language you don't understand. That is completely, 100% wrong. This is your flashing green light if you're willing to act fast. The window to get ahead is open right now, but it will not stay open forever. I'm going to show you 5 specific ways to make money with Claude Code, even if you've never written a line of code. Stick with me. This could change your entire freelance trajectory. Let's break down what Claude Code actually is, without any of the confusing tech jargon. Forget what you think you know about coding environments. This is different. Think of Claude Code as the smartest, most capable, most patient assistant you've ever worked with. It lives in your browser, and it builds what you can clearly describe. You don't install complicated software. You don't need to understand programming languages. You simply open a chat window and start a conversation. You explain what you want, step by step, in plain English. The magic is in the dialogue. The process is incredibly intuitive. Claude Code doesn't just blindly write code. It asks clarifying questions to refine your idea. What inputs do we need? Principal? Interest rate? Loan term? What should the output look like? Should we show a monthly payment breakdown? You decide, it executes. As it writes HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you see the app appear in real time. Make that button blue. Add a field for property taxes. Test this with a few loan amounts. Done. It can even run the app for you so you can interact immediately. Your skill set is clarity of thought and communication. You guide the process. It does the heavy lifting. Real example. I told Claude Code to build a client intake form that auto-generates a project brief as a PDF and emails it to both me and the client. It took 25 minutes. I didn't type a single bracket. Small businesses are drowning in clunky spreadsheets, outdated paper forms, and disconnected apps that don't talk to each other. They feel the pain daily, but assume custom software costs tens of thousands. You can build what they need in hours with Claude Code, at a fraction of the price. Build calculators, smart intake forms, lead trackers, and automated report generators. Keep it simple, specific, and high value. Mortgage brokers, financial planners, and construction teams love custom calculators that match their exact workflows. Consultants and therapists need smart intake forms that route data correctly from day one. Sales teams want a simple lead tracker that just works. And owners love one-click report generators that turn messy inputs into clean PDFs. Price point, $300 to $1,500 per tool. Basic intake that emails, $300, $500. Multivariable quoting tool with PDF, $1,000, $1,500. Clients aren't buying your time. They're buying saved hours. If you save 5 hours a week, it's a no-brainer. How to find clients. Look for anyone using spreadsheets for something they hate. Start in your own network. Send a simple message. I noticed you're using a paper form for new clients. I can build a small web app that automates that and saves you hours each week. I can build it in a day. Show a quick demo of a similar tool. Sell the outcome. More time, less hassle. Not the tech. This is the fastest path to your first Claude Code revenue. Before pitching anyone, use Claude Code on your own business. Become your first best customer. Proposals, onboarding, invoicing, project tracking, lead follow-ups. Time vampires that drain your week. Build a proposal generator. Enter client name, scope, and price. Get a polished PDF in seconds. Automate onboarding, welcome email, contract link, intake questionnaire, first invoice, triggered when you mark a deal 1. Add a basic invoice tracker, a client portal for status, and a pipeline dashboard for your sales. Save 5 hours a week, 20 a month. half a work week. Use that time to take on a client, learn a skill, or rest. This is also proof. Pitch. I built this for myself with Claude Code. It saves me 10 hours a month. Want me to build a version for you? Offer to adapt it for a flat $250–500. You're not selling theory, you're demoing a working system. Easy yes. Once you're comfortable with single tools, level up. Don't sell a hammer, sell the entire toolkit. Package a done-for-you AI operating system for small business. Many owners feel behind and overwhelmed. You become the turnkey solution. Bundle modules, research assistant that summarizes the web, an email drafter for fast replies, automated intake forms, and proposal generators. Tie it all together with a simple dashboard. Everything visible at a glance. The system is more valuable than the sum of its parts. Price it like a premium service, $2,500, $3,000 for setup. That covers discovery, custom builds in Claude Code, and onboarding. Add $100–300 per month for hosting, updates, and support. Predictable revenue for you, peace of mind for them. Target coaches, consultants, and small agency owners. They value time and want outcomes, not tutorials. Your sales process. Demo the integrated system. Show hours saved, faster lead replies, and smoother ops. You're not selling code, you're selling peace of mind, efficiency, and a competitive edge. This is how you evolve from freelancer to strategic partner. They outsource AI to you. You deliver tangible business value and earn like a pro. Custom dashboards create outsized impact. Teams swim in data but starve for insights. CRMs, spreadsheets, docs, Slack, scattered and hard to interpret. Build one place to see what matters. Leads, conversion rates, revenue per rep, deadlines, workload, content calendars, and performance. Dashboards are the wow moment that drives referrals. With Claude Code, prototypes appear in hours, not weeks. Price at $800, $2,000 depending on sources and visuals. Budget a day or two including feedback. Find buyers in small agencies, marketing teams, and creative studios. Offer a free process audit, watch how they track metrics, then propose a better way. These tools spread internally, from junior team to execs, fueling visibility and referrals. It sells itself. Escape the time for money trap by productizing a repeatable solution. Fixed scope, fixed price, streamlined delivery. Build once, sell many. Example: AI newsletter system, $800 setup plus $200 month hosting and updates. Many creators and coaches struggle with consistency. You deliver a system that handles ideas, drafting, scheduling, and sending. Build a master template in Claude Code, web content sourcing, AI draft, calendar scheduling, and MailChimp integration. Charge $800 setup to connect accounts and brand it. Then $200 month for hosting, maintenance, updates, and support. Recurring revenue is the holy grail, predictable cash flow and high margins. Once templated, onboarding takes hours. Publish a clear sales page and guarantee launch in 72 hours. Scale to multiple clients per week. The window on this is real and it's closing faster than you think. Most freelancers won't touch Claude Code for another year. The ones who learn it now will own a category that's worth a lot of money. Start small. Build one tiny tool today. A mortgage calculator, a form that emails you, then show it to someone who can buy. That first sale is the spark. Real learning happens in the build, sell, learn loop, not in more tutorials. Build one small tool and charge for it. Use that win to build a bigger tool. Automate yourself. Sell the system, build dashboards, then productize for recurring revenue. Claude Code is the engine. Free Starter Kit is in the description. It won't cover Claude Code specifically, but it's a solid starting point for the broader AI freelancing system. The future belongs to the builders. Go build. If this helped, like and subscribe. See you in the next build.